Hello, this is my project for my IT114 Chatroom project, and today I'll be going over uh, its functions and how it works. So first, let's start up our UI. So first, we'll start the server. Server. And we'll load up the clients in their UI. So we'll have one, my name, put it over here. We'll put and then so we'll have 3 clients for now. And the first thing I want to demonstrate, I think this goes back to milestone 2, is the roll commands and the flip commands. Um, so if message starts with roll, if message starts with flip, it'll call the handle flip command and the handle roll command. So I'll use this as an example. Roll being like, say roll a die, so roll 4. So the result will come up like this in the UI as the message. I formatted it like this just to make it different than other messages that are being sent. Like let's say I just sent um, some random thing, it'll pop up like just regular. Or if I use the other format, I could do 6 and then roll 9. Then flip. So this is like more straightforward, just heads or tails. So flip heads. I could do it on Alex's client. I could do flip. He got heads. I could do it on Ben's, and Ben got tails. Um, and a roll command and a flip. So just it's a random generator to get heads or tails. And next, could go over formatting. So for example, if I just type anything like I did before, it'll just pop up like this. Um, However, you can change that. So let's go back actually. Set up here. Okay. So I have my formatting stuff for, um, like bolding, changing the colors, italicize, and underline. So to demonstrate how this works, so at least in my code, I had it as, so let's say I want to change the color, the up arrow and then red and R for red, and then you put the text in between it. So do this quickly. So, I want to do, let's say I'll test it as text, and then just like this, and then text will come up as red. I could do it on their client, it'll be the same thing. I could try green. Um, this is green. It looks weird typing it out, but I found this is like the most simple way I could find it to be. And here, I think the last one's blue, yeah. So B, this is blue. And it'll come up as blue. Um, so I believe next I'll go over underline. Um, so for underline, it's the squiggly thing. I probably should have used a different. Um, I probably should have used the underscore key for this, but I used it for italic already. I don't know, I just kind of left it. So this will be underlined. This is underlined. Should be underlined. Yeah. Um, Next I'll do bold. So bold is the asterisk, and then a word. So this is bolded. There we go. And then I'll do italic, which I should have probably used for underlined. Um, this is italicized. There we go. And you can actually, um, this works for like not just one uh, command. So like what I mean is like you can combine several. So I'll do bold and italicized. This is bolded and should come up. Yeah. So now the whole thing is bolded and italicized. I can do it with the colors too. Maybe bold. I'll make it blue. This is bolded. Uh, there we go. So it doesn't really matter what order you put them in, like the command, as long as the text is really in between, and like let's say you put the bold first, you got to put it last. Um, you can do this is regular, and this is cool little things like this. And now let's move to the private message. Um, so the private message, if I do at uh, I don't know, Alex, hello. So it'll tell me that the message I just sent was private, and it'll say private to Alex, hello. Alex will get it private from Chow, hello, but Ben will not receive the message. Um, I'll demonstrate the at thing. Uh, I'll demonstrate the at thing further after I go over mute. So mute and unmute. Let's see. Okay. Message starts with slash mute. unmute. Okay, calls. All right, nice. So I'll demonstrate this now. Um, so let's say I wanted to mute someone. So I'll do /mute Alex. And this was a milestone 3. We just had to have the mute and unmute function work. And then milestone 4, implement like a message saying like that you've been muted. So like now he knows that he's muted, and let's say I want to unmute him. So tell me that he's been unmuted, and Alex will also know that he's been unmuted. Or I could do the same thing with Ben. Mute Ben. He's been muted. You've been muted. /unmute Ben. There we go. Okay. So one of the requirements we needed was where if someone mutes you and you try to private message that person, the private message will not go through because you are muted by him. So if I try it, like at Alex, um, you smell. So I'll get this message uh, saying you are muted by Alex. Your private message was not sent. So it doesn't matter. You're muted. You're muted. Before I had it where um, if I private messaged someone and I was muted by that person, it would still go through. So I kind of fixed that up now. So yeah, you are muted by Alex. Your private message was not sent. Um, so I didn't get the I didn't have the export functionality here, obviously. Um, and I also I didn't get to do the where the users are in the chat. I didn't highlight them to see like which ones like sending a message. But forgot to go over this part earlier. But here you should just do this for fun. Make a new room. I already just made it. Alex smells, and you just click create. So I'm the only one in it. If they really want to, you can do Alex smells join. So Ben will get the messages that Chow and Alex is connected. Because we're in a new room. I don't know why it's coming. Alex smells. Now we're all in the same room. So that's it. That's about it for my demonstration for my IT114 chat room project. And yeah, thank you for watching.